Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. In this video I'm gonna show different amazing and unique pebble home decoration ideas. It is very beautiful and simple decoration designs, rocks art, stone painting, rocks painting, different phenomenon and amazing pebble home decoration ideas, and I hope you like it. Then you like it viewers, so please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon viewers, and please share your friends and family members and do not forget to my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon viewers.